Going into VCE Biology and you want to get a good study score next year, right now you need to start reading through those textbooks and getting through a few questions at the very beginning. Even though you might think, oh, but it's the holidays, I don't want to do any work. This is hardly work, right? I'm asking you maybe to do 10 minutes per day. But the main thing that I'm trying to get here is the habit of learning stuff outside of class, the habit of not having to always just do the homework that the teacher sets, because you want to work at your pace. It doesn't matter what the teacher wants you to do, because regardless, the teacher doesn't have time to cater themselves to each individual student. You'll be working at a pace that's different to your friend and different to the other person in the class. So you want to be able to do questions at your own rate, study at your own rate, and be ahead of the class. Because only when you're ahead of the class are you able to get these good scores. And getting ahead of the class is not some secret, like you need to be a genius to be able to get ahead of the class. Being ahead of the class just means starting the content 1 week before the class does. Wow, now you're ahead of the class. And this simple concept by itself is more than enough to get you really good marks, specifically in VCE biology. Start going through proteins, brushing up your memory on cells, amino acids, things like that. Because once you have this good foundation understanding, it is so much easier to learn those later difficult concepts.